This is the EPCB boiler production base. Today, a biomass chain Grate steam boiler is ready to be shipped to Central Asia to provide a stable heat source for the local textile industry. The boiler body adopts the EPCB classic 3-pass water fire tube structure design, with a large heating area, higher thermal efficiency, fast startup and stable steam output. The chain Grate runs smoothly and feeds evenly. It can be adapted to a variety of biomass fuels such as wood chips and rice husks to achieve continuous combustion and low-carbon operation. Equipped with an intelligent PLC system, it can achieve one-button start, automatic control and remote monitoring, which is convenient, safe and efficient to operate. The high-efficiency deaerator effectively removes dissolved oxygen in the boiler feed water, prevents system corrosion, extends the life of the boiler, and improves the overall thermal efficiency. Matching multi-tube dust collector and air preheater fully meet local environmental protection emission standards and truly achieve green production. Industrial-grade high-precision instruments and durable valves are selected to ensure real-time and accurate operating data, facilitate control and maintenance, and ensure efficient and stable operation of the boiler system. This delivery is not only another efficient fulfillment of the contract, but also a reflection of EPCB boiler's deep layout in the global industrial thermal energy field.